My name's Aileen McCready and I'm the Partnerships and Community Manager at On Path Energy. At On Path, we want to empower our communities to make healthy and more sustainable choices. So in 2025, we launched our Healthy and Sustainable Living programme to empower people to make changes in their home that will help them reduce the cost of their energy bills and turn down their thermostat, being kinder to the planet and their pocket. We ran a range of workshops across South Lanarkshire in collaboration with Healthy Valleys. This enabled them to make small behaviour changes. It supported wellbeing and a healthier lifestyle at home. It's a benefit that actually supports each individual and each individual household. Our projects can span over several years, so it's key to have early engagement. When people feel heard and supported, that's when bigger things happen and meaningful change begins.